who out your Tina help? Oh no stay so. Tina out your help uno in the progression uno not gear the highlights, uno not think about her, uno not repost her, uno not share her. Oh no so ungrateful. No sight no look good. Come man, come identify on yourself man. Who tell Tina help? Tina say she help uno. Uno go in her inbox. Both trainee, non-he, and all kind of he. Come on, man. Who share help? But Tina, me can't understand you. Because this minute you come out and say your progress well in your business and things is okay. And the next minute you come out here crying out. You're not literally saying nothing not go on for you, you know. But based on what you are expecting and what you want to see, it shows that nothing is going on for you. Me not understand your Tina. But anyway, people, it's that time of the video. Greetings, greetings, greetings from a place of comfort. Greetings. Happy festive season to all my subscribers, my supporters, and my viewers. What is this again? Joan Wards, Summerfet Young, Samantha Joseph, Marianne, Shorty Everbless, Wagwan, Curlin Richards, Rose Reynolds, Patricia Miller, Rose Mina, and Carol Fisher. Bless upon yourself. Happy festive season. And remember, if you don't hear your name, check the video before, and the video before, and the video before. And as well, you will continue to hear this road call right up until New Year. So you don't have to worry. If you miss out, you will hear it in another video. Alright? And if me not call your name, don't blame me, blame yourself for not being a commenter in the comment section despite you are a supporter. Remember, no for no a silent watcher. Me can't know. Alright? So bless upon yourself and just continue to support the channel. You know what they do. It is so easy. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up on the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. And remember, TikTok, them say TikTok are closed down, but I think that is in America. So I don't know what will take place anyway, because you don't know most of the base of the supporters is from America. But run over still and go support on TikTok Life is a Mission TV. And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section asking you for a subscription. We see it come 1-1. Them want about 70 little bit now for reach that 1,000. We still have enough time to give them it before the year is out, because as I said, there's a lot of you over here who have not yet subscribed, who can just go over there and give them a subscription. It's not costing $1. I am trying with this channel for over years. I agree that I think they are not putting out enough content for you people to gravitate to. But you know, as I say, just give them the 1,000 subscribers, because without the 4,000 watch hours with the subscribers, them can't be monetized. So probably that will drive them some more to put in some more work. They are saying that sometimes the time is not there and whatsoever. Me I say, if you love it, you have to do it. You have to find the time for it. If it's even push out 2 videos a week, but you can't make a week pass and no video, you're going to lose your algorithm, you're going to lose your supporters, you're going to lose your fan base, because they can't depend on you for any form of entertainment or amusement. Alright? Anyway, the cash app is there, $ charms and trends. You know, gift me use the gift to give back to the needy. We are getting close now. Come tomorrow, I want to start make the preparation and getting in these stuff, that anytime I get the day in the week where I can get an assistant to help me to bag up these things, because I'm not going to buy it at the wholesale ready bag up like we out already. As I said, I'm going to buy a half case of this, a half bag of this, a half bag of that, you know, and I have to be the one who bag them up myself and stuff, because that is more economical buying it that way, because that way you get it wholesale instead of you go buy it retail, right? Yes man. So when you give me use a gift to give back to the needy. It's not a charity. If you're feeling yourself you want to give me, that's what I use the gift to do. You don't have to send anything. It's not a charity and stuff. And congrats to the people who are not able to send something but are able to watch the videos and watch the ads. because that's all at the end of the month I get a salary, and I use that, take something from it, and bird want water to my drink from the pipe cock. That's how I use, to do stuff like this. So you're still a supporter despite you can't physically send some cash or whatsoever. And if you don't have Cash App or Zelle, although the Zelle is not PIN, you can reach me at 876-221-9789. And please go support Charms and Trends. Go find the page on Instagram, charm underscore and underscore trends. Anything you see on the page, the business page, you can just go in the DM, make any queries, any questions, and you get a quick response from customer care service. Very good customer service, and you can get anything you see over there customized. Give your loved one a special gift, a gift with some meaning for the Christmas. Alright? Before me get into that, let me show you something. So I don't know how much of you watch this morning video. At the end, stuff like this I should do it at the front, because sometimes you can watch the front of the video and then you have to run off and then you get to see what happened at the end of the video. Well, I have some merge here that I giving away to my subscribers, because you don't know we's all about giving back from the liquor that we get. And I give away, have 8 of these t-shirts giving away, 5 already gone. So sometime this week I want you to listen up for the questions. And the first 2 or 3 persons to answer the question correctly, you will win yourself one of these t-shirts. It might not be the same colors I have here, because they are here as long as what do call it now? I am not like I buy them in bulks. So as long as stock lasts, you will get these t-shirts. You have had a t-shirt, but I like these one. These one are quality, stretch type material. So if you wear small, if you wear large, probably if a large they probably can put on a small and it fit. Whereas if you like close fit t-shirts like myself, yeah. So I have 3 winners already: Julie Bryan, Samantha Joseph, and it go again? Junie Perkins, something like so. So these are the t-shirts. Speak my mind, so easy. Alright? And nice colors. Nice colors, people, nice colors. I like this one too. You see that lime green here. Speak my mind, so easy. So I have 8 of these t-shirts giving away. Yeah. 5 already gone, so I have 3 more to give away. So now just stay tuned this week for the question. Sometime this week the question will be throwing out. I'm still thinking about what question, because I don't want to make it hard for them. I want to make it a little bit easy, but at the same time not as easy. Alright? Yeah. So, and then now, if you see these t-shirts and you like them, as I said, I am not putting any investment into buying bulks and print them and have them to sell. If you see them, you like them, and you want to support me, you can just call the number, as me say, 876-221-9789, and place your order. We'll make the necessary deals where the cost is concerned. You say what you want, because if you notice, it have the slang so easy, and there's a lot more slang. You can choose the slang that you want. If you want the do, you want the One Nation, Up Like Age, you can choose which one you want, and we just make it customized immediately for you. I have these ganzes, some printing overseas for this purpose with Charms and Trends as a distributor, and I have this locally doing with someone else also. But as I'm said, I'm not doing it in bulk, I'm doing it by order. So if you see it, you like it, you can just order, and by order you will hear the cost for it and stuff. I still don't check out shipping or with how much it costs to ship to the United States. Cause I would think about United States first, because not saying I won't ship to Canada or England, but I want to check out the cost for Canada and probably United States, since my base of supporters is from United States, as you know, most of the platform there. Alright, So that is it. And a ship nor boat nor yacht is it. That is it. Anyway, I could get into the video now before them come tell me say me intro too long. But you know, sometimes these videos is to get things across also at the top. Before me get in a Tina video, me see Queen was right one post here. Well, basically towards Adassa, but she said something in this one me want to, you know, it goes for me also despite my name is not here. I really want to know what's the difference if uno come on uno platform, so-called defenders, and replay a video of people cussing the lady compared to me posting it on my platform. What's the damn difference? All nastiness, Drankro, Adassa. So she highlight Adassa name, not me. But this goes for me also because you know me play video and dissect videos. I don't think Adassa do that. But she adjust Adassa here. So me put myself in a position and say me also are one of them who she attack. Let me make you know the difference here. If I come out here and I say yes, 99 this, yes, 99 that, and it's all negative, and you take that video and repost it on your page without dissecting it, yes, there's a difference. That simply means you're endorsing what I am saying in that video, and that's the reason why you repost it, because you want it to reach your audience and more audience. So that's the one difference, all right? So that's the one difference. You don't even need no more. But you coming out here, dissect whether a negative video towards somebody or a positive video towards somebody, in reposting the video and dissecting that video, it's a total different thing. You understand? So don't come out here come ask what's the difference. So when you come out here, Queen was saying you do all these things and play like you're smart. You're not. You understand? You're not. You just feel like someone smart. We know exactly what you're trying to do. You know, promote the negative towards people when you do these things. So you come and ask, well, what's the difference? There's a big difference, a lot of difference. Let's get into this Tina video. So let's get into Tina seeking sympathy, it seems to be, boasting about how our product is going well, but at the same time, it's like, you know, something not right with her. So, YouTube, a little music I play, don't know, a Sunday afternoon, everybody's home, it's a festive season, sound do travel, so please don't flag me for this. I am no control over this, alright? So just sit with me.
Out there who are not ready for certain things, right? Because for you to be ready, you have to learn, you have to go through the process, right? You have to go through the experience, you have to apply yourself, you have to make errors, stuff like that. There's some people who, even when they make errors, they don't even know how to correct it. Why? Because they didn't take the time to educate themselves. You understand? So realizing that sizing certain things up, I just leave that certain class of people alone and just dedicate myself to my business. And this is what I have. I take my little time. You know, if somebody
leave
out
certain
there
class of
sees
people
me
alone,
doing
you have
greatness
certain class
and they
people
want
never
to
friend.
put me up there,
You always are trying to look friend.
I am all open for that. I am all open for that. Similarly to the BFBG Awards. The BFBG Awards, they saw me on here in Canada. They saw me doing my stuff. My products stood out more than everybody else's products. My products taste good. They see me at work. I put my best foot forward. I put my display on social media. I showed off my talent on social media. All of that, right? And this is what attracted the BFBG Awards. It wasn't hype.
So you want to say all that has happened for you at the BGF Awards? All that has happened for you and we can't see anything. But you're going to come out here in defense now to say, oh, you notice I stopped show things. Where you used to show? 1 year, 2, 3 years ago, where you used to show? More than some empty box. You, when you got the bakery where you rent, all you do is show the mixer when you mix. We can't see the product going in. Bits by bits, pieces by pieces. We can't see the product when it is formulated. We cannot see the product when it's finished. Where you did that show? You never did that show nothing. So you're going to say, oh, you stop show because you hear people that say you have not shown nothing. That can determine that, okay, she were well represented, representative. She was well represented at the BGF Award. We don't see nothing. More than when you see the Chinese them depend. As if sugar and sitting to give people diabetes. When you not come out come talk about the whole part sugar and the sweet, so they must see to give people diabetes. But they come out and talk about sorry, I gotta do this and sorry, I gotta do that. Eh? But you come out and defend now because to the people that talk to them have not seen anything. But if the BGF award have done so much for you, oh, don't rocket your sales. It should have rocketed your sales in this baking season because it is a blessing in disguise. It just come at the right time when it's a Christmas season, the festive season for baking. But it not seems like it moved nothing for you, much as you rocket it. So he's a liar. You know, everything that comes to your brain or you think that you want to happen, as them would have say, you're delusional. You just feel like it's reality of life. It's something will happen. When it's something where you just have in your head want to happen, you just come out here and make it look as if, oh, it's manifest. It's real life. Can't be real life. It's just delusional. Because if you got an award like that, you pay your way into that award. Might not literally pay to go to the promoter, but you literally pay you actually pay your way into that award by offering to be a sponsor, to promote yourself, and it goes nowhere. I can bet you, if such woman did go through a process like that in trying to promote her products, now at the start of the season, right after that award, you would have seen the impact that you have get from that award ceremony. Where is your impact? Where is your impact? You have no impact, man. Because you have no influence or no impact on nobody's life out here. Because why? You know why? Your past speak for itself. They said people, yes, can change, but guess what? You have too much past for just change, so. Your records are out there. So it is not easy for you to get past. You understand?
It wasn't nothing like that. They just wanted great products for their
what
event.
Is your wait?
And this is why they booked me for their event. Now,
Nobody books you.
Every
No.
business person is different.
Nobody book you. Don't come out here come tell people about them book you. You request an invitation and them take a while to think about the request of your invitation. Come on. You request an invitation through probably some form of links. I don't know if I'm Marcia, because Marcia say the woman are fairy godmother. I don't know if a true Marcia you request the link. And remember, it's nick of time. Nick of time. You have got an invitation. That you were so surprised in getting that invitation when you get it. You were so excited that you finally say you get an invitation. The award show put off. Bang. So don't come out here about them request you. You request to be a part of that show. You pay every dollar to take part in that show and bake your products. And when you're supposed to be getting back something from it, no, we're not seeing that. Because you did not have any impact. So I don't know how your product are the best product. And we can't see the impact in your business now. Where's the impact from that award show that your product turns out to be the best baked product? Where's the impact? It's not showing in your business, so it never makes sense then. It's somebody case, it never makes sense.
Some people out there who just wants the hype. Everybody's different. They want the hype and they'll go somewhere else because they got the hype. You know what I mean? But if you want quality, if you're a person of values, if you're a person of professionalism, you're going to go and seek somebody else. You're going to go and seek the good stuff. You know, it's like you guys shopping in the supermarket. You're not just going to grab something because, you know, you're going to grab something because it's a great brand in some cases. You have some people who don't care. It's the same thing. You have some people who don't care. They just grab something to grab something. And then there's some people who are like, no, I'm going to read the label because the label says 100 calories versus this one that gives you 1,000 calories. I'm just throwing out some examples out there. So, you know, I always put my best foot forward, but I don't help people no more. on social media. Let them figure it out themselves.
You don't
You
help
know, if they
nobody,
want to
man. You
watch
didn't
me
have
and,
post
and
nobody
be
thing.
inspired by me, then that's fine.
More
But
help.
whenever they reach out to me, I just ignore, because I have answered questions before, and that what that led me into was something crazy that I never thought that.
People. Alright. She used to help people. And all these people used to go in her DM. We never hear she up on live yet and nobody reach out to her for help. And you know why she don't say that? Because it is evident that we are here and we are seeing that no one's reach out to her for no assistance. So what she do? She use DM, because we cannot see DM unless she come and shows us the message. But if people reach out to her on her live, would have heard. Me might not heard, but Uno, you were what you hear. So evidence would be there. But she used DM because we can't prove it unless she come and definitely show you her DM. So people reach out to her. But me could look upon this realistically now. If people used to reach out to you in a year DM like that, as what you are saying, and you reach out to these people in assisting them, we have never seen you posted people, business, and it must be big product now, because that's what she knows and that's what she is speaking about. Or we can't see you post even a we never see you post even a few flyers of people then where you reach out to and help, because if you're helping these people and you're giving them tips in baking and stuff like that, at the same time you would have helped them also for somebody who like to write, somebody who say you're intelligent, somebody who like your computer to formulate messages and create letters and stuff like that. You'd have also helped these people to create some form of business page, flyers, or whatsoever they need to enhance their business in promoting their self, right? In promoting their self. So you basically would have that to also repost on your page. But if you check your page even 2 years ago, before you say you stop help people, where you say allegedly, which we don't know who will help, because you make it seem like at one point that the such man of Canada was calling you for a lot of tips, when it is evident that you see the progress of such man and want to be a part of such man that bad that you'll probably lie down and open your crutches such man. A good thing such man really use seam suches in any crutches. And knowing of your past with your crutches, it would be very risky, even if you might go put on, you know, if such man even go put on one scandal bag, you know, yeah, such man even now put on one scandal bag and bag up him sachets and say I'm gonna put it in the fridge, he would have still have a fret, because it's a possibility that scandal bag can, see there, scandal bag can bust. And when scandal bag bust, the same thing what you try to prevent why you use a scandal bag, it you end up with. So such man never interested that much. So me not see where you go and like say such man did I reach out to you from Canada. I want to know who's such man. For no assistant. Where? You don't help nobody. And it is evident. You don't repost nobody page. Look for Marcia. Marcia talk about your product there in there out and thing, and the only time you talk about Marcia product is when you make the funeral cake for your gala. Cause she have a gala and you make a funeral cake. I don't know if you dare try praying something like that for Marcia why you make the cake like that. Cause if you're a professional person, if me come to you as a customer and say me want something like this for this occasion, and you know as a professional person this not fit the occasion. Not because of money, me nah make it because it gonna make me look bad, because see there are you all the backlash come down pan. Not Marcia will tell you say as what you say as so she want the cake another color that she want. You the baker. So if you're a professional person, you see that is not right to protect your image and your work. You need not to do that because you see it's not right. So the next person will pass and come and see it, I will criticize it, I will hear say you, them now go recommend you, them now go want to give you work, and if them hear say so somebody want something for bake and them say, boy, you know, so me go check over there so tea girl over there so no go over there, you idiot. And all kind of bantering go on because of your past work. So as a professional person, certain work, you know, take it. If you know it's not going to do to suit your qualities where you have. Don't take it. Make the money pass because you're going to lose more than that. Oh, so you're not promote nobody out here, Tina. Stop tell lie.
I'd be a part of, just by answering or giving advice, like I've told you before. People have reached out to me for advice before, and I've helped a particular person. And by helping the person, I never thought anything about it because I was just giving advice, because I've been in the business, the banking industry for a number of years, so I kind of know how it operates, right? So when
because she never give such woman no advice from baking.
Not experienced in that area.
The only advice such woman did ask her upon is the immigration thing with her kids when we did all to fly out.
Who was interested and I gave the advice.
And I remember now, when such woman did go to her for the advice for the immigration thing, it's not about like she got to her and asked her a question. She were on that topic on her life. And the woman joined on the topic because she were into a position like that at the immediate time. Because that was the time when our kids were getting ready, to leave the country through filing and stuff. And since you were on that topic, such woman choose to say, okay, let's question here, because such woman never need to question, as me say, because such woman baby father up there, such woman baby father wife or woman up there. So him supposed to know all of that and then pass on the information. If there's something must be done down here, he pass on the information. Just like how my baby mother pass on the information to me and I carry out the duties down here. Me no need for go search the information. At them up there do the filing. She pass on the information to me and I do what's necessary. Take the kids them where they're supposed to go, medical, this, that, or not. So such woman never have to ask her no question. Because such woman wasn't about such woman just probably is the type of person like me where probably would have want certain things you want to have knowledge of, and then she find herself in the immediate position at the time when she depend on her life and talk about and discuss things like that. So you never help nobody, you never help the woman, she never asks So me know she had a must such man in Canada.
A couple of months later, that advice would have turned into a whole drama and a changed narrative.
Yeah man, such man in Canada. When I see you running at the man.
And my brand being dragged and my
because tourist, Jamaica tourist boat connection and them something they ready eye. And at them stage you want to reach.
That's all I did. How did this turn into a narrative? It shouldn't have even been a narrative. It shouldn't have even been anything like that. And I felt so bad for myself because it was so genuine. It was just, the advice was just genuine and it was concern and it was care and it was, okay, I'm looking out for another black person, another Jamaican person. I was looking out for another Jamaican. Wrong. It's the worst thing I could have ever done. That Jamaican ended up sitting there telling me about my pride, my lady parts, start talking about my kids.
I know where she at, Chef Noel.
Dragging my kids, them start want me get locked up at Canada.
No name no call, but me know a Chef Noel.
I was just dumbfounded. Dumbfounded. To the point where I had to even step out of my fun personality self and step out and get serious and get dark and say, don't you even go
what
there.
Fun personality self?
And it disrupted
you don't have no fun personality, Mike. You might step out of your evil self and go your evil self.
Because who wants to go there? Who wants to be, if you're not a naturally dark, crabbed person, right? You don't want to be in that space all the time.
Eve can't be a person, man.
And for somebody to bring you to that point, you're pissed off, right? But you're doing it because you want to fight for yourself. You want to stand up for yourself, right?
So the amount of people you have pissed off and them a fight for themselves. Some devil look on you. Some not count you. Some hear you but them not hear. Some they not listen to you. Some you just drive them at a point where sometimes them just come out against you. So you don't feel like them have the same feelings like you. You are the one who are the aggressor out here against actually everybody that speak about you and come against you. Away from probably like me who and few other bloggers and vloggers out here who see the need to come out against your stupidness and your foolishness. We are like referees, but it seems like we are referee for one side because we are in the middle and you are the aggressor, so we have to keep shoving you away. shoving you away because you are the aggressor. So it seems like, yes, it's one side with that one. But you are the aggressor against everybody out here. That is it, you know. You are the aggressor against everybody out here. Nobody just see you and pick on you. All of your trouble. You are the one who insert yourself in these people's personal life and business life. And if you can't come to that conclusion and tell yourself, damn, and sit back one day and look at yourself and check your records and say, really, you know, so me never trouble Raga Shanti, Raga Shanti never trouble me for true. Ratty, you know, say Raga Rugi. How would it really do me them that time, during time me I go on and I behave that way? You know, so Tony Matara never trouble me neither. I would really, you know, if you sit down and look back to yourself, you will see, say, you were the one out here who create all the mischief. But what, you fail to do that because you don't want to fail yourself. Because if you start believe, say, boy, yes, you were really a troublemaker, it's like you fail yourself, you know. Because all the sympathy that you want out here and all the pictures that you want to paint out here like people is dragging you and your kids and your business. You would have failed in believing that. And you want to hold that onto your grave. Because you're so delusional that all these things that you think of, you want to carry them to your grave, believing that that is so it go.
You never thought that by trying to give advice, free advice to somebody who also, this person also admitted that I gave them advice. This is the craziest thing I have ever seen, right? You're going to admit that I helped
advice
you,
and
I gave
least,
you
you know,
advice.
because me I go up the
You're
road.
going to drag me regardless and say
I
all
mean I
these
drive the
negative
car or
stuff in
something
the
wrong.
same
I'm see a man, me I ask him, yo, what you
same
think?
Facebook
Make
Live,
that car sound so.
dragging me, talking
Because
about
me don't
my,
know. So that is nothing at all. But you make it look like the advice where you give this man elevate him to where he are, or it move him from which part in the day when he ask you the advice. Remember now, this man, you know, in a certain position where he have certain links where you see and contacts and association with all the Jamaica Tourist Board, and that's where you want to take yourself. That's the level, T-girl, you want to grow and reach. You understand? But you can't reach a level under your condition and how you behave, and you will never reach there because you're jealous of a people's business. You don't want to see nobody do better than you. You don't want to see nobody do good. People that do good, especially if they are close to you, where you know say the good way they might do affect your business. That's how you are thinking of. Because nobody business can affect your business. You understand? Because the person who do the business where you do, there is people before them who do the same business and it don't affect them. You understand? So they can't affect your business. You affect your business by your behavior. So because you see all of this where the man got through where, you know, the linkage and him depend this magazine and that and this and that. That's why you want to join forces now with him. But because just like Chris see the good in a such woman, this man might see the good in a such woman also, and them realize that you are bad company, so they no longer want your company. Beside them never really say it to you like that, but because now them start go so boom now and start associate themselves with such woman, that's where you go. You understand? That's where you take defense. Because you feel like, oh, they are snitchers. Because you feel like they should associate with you and not she as your enemy, which means know how she becomes your enemy. You understand? But you just feel like they should not be so associating themselves with her because they're a snitcher if they do so. Who is you to tell big people what to do? Eh? Who is you to tell big people what to do? So because me and you are a friend and you are such person and a friend, me must talk to such people or such person. Who you to? Well, Anya.
It's terrible, which it just doesn't make sense to me. Because how am I giving you advice? And oh, I gave you advice. Ding, 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 ding.
You
that
two
right
member.
tells you about my personality.
But
what type of
4 yards away the music I play, boy. Me not have nothing to do with it.
A few minutes later, you're gonna drag me in my late parts and talk about my past in the most derogatory of ways.
It's still away until you do a video them and all them something here.
Help anybody on here.
They're in an open area.
No longer. If they
can't
want it,
do
let them
nothing.
go to school for it. Right? Let them go to school.
5 yards, 6 yards away from the music I play, I mean in my yard. What can I do? YouTube? Nothing at all.
Anybody who comes to me
I can't tell people lock off them things.
For
some people you might say lock down or turn down
said,
and them
no,
do it, but and everybody you can't do that.
Ignored. A majority of the messages I ignored. I didn't answer. When people want
I know some
advice,
people are going to the car go
answer
finish a
because
video,
at the
but we
end of
don't,
the
and I
day,
can't sure go do that video, you know, cut down some of the sound, you know. Every day I pray that, trust me. Although I start before the boy starts playing music, you know.
Because they're in lines, you know. It's like a tag team. Who next I gonna come get a bus off of me name? Who next I gonna come
Nobody no get no bus off of you, go ahead.
Who next?
Nobody no get no bus off of you. None.
I have to shut the door. I said, no, that's it.
You start turn master now.
Because it was a thing. It was a
Who know bus
strategy
people
that
and
they
can't
were
bus on
using
themselves?
to build themselves
Who know for
for
bus
clout
people and
and
can't bus on
clickbait and
themselves?
stuff like that. So I had to close the door after that last one last year. After that last one last year, I have to close the door. I said, no, go about your damn business.
After that last one last year. So this is our chef Noel shout out. No name no call, but we can bits and pieces together.
You got twist it and turn it for damage my image because
Sometimes you might
views
not
and
know,
likes.
but bits
And
and
not
pieces
just
put
that, it
together,
ended.
you figure it out.
wanted me to lose my freedom just off of a story where you tell yourself in your head.
Listen to all them here again.
That's serious. Because
Make
if you
you know
can sit
exactly
down and
who she
make up that
attack.
story, you're willing to, and you can't sit down and make up a story to try to get me arrested and take away my freedom over your social media story where you make up in your head, you're a dangerous person. And
So that's
I
why-
had to clock that and take with myself.
So probably that's why you want to leakage with him, because you realize he's actually the same person like you then. Him delusional. Because with him social media story where he make up on you. Now you see him where you go around and make up social media story upon people, lady. Eh? So that's why you want him to be a part of your alignment. Okay. Him see otherwise. Him not like dark tunnel. And he's a dark tunnel. Him not want to go through no dark tunnel and then him talk about, oh, there will be light at the end of the tunnel. No. Him want to make sure we might go him see light. And your dark tunnel will never ever be light at the end of the tunnel. So when Chris did make the decision, when he had tried to set up all these people to do all kind of things in a Chris comment to go against such woman back in the days, it never worked out of the right decision Chris make. And it never hard to make. Because when you come across such woman, worse as a business person, you will see the encouragement and the motivation that this woman has given to you. The same thing Chef Noel say. And what? Him choose his part, him see light. Instead of sitting and depend upon light at the end of a dark tunnel, take the tunnel where you see light. You understand? Because you motivate or encourage no business person, worse if them in the field where you in a. So up to this day, you that use these people and pretend to be their friends and associate while tearing them down around the corner. Because it's all about your shelf alone to be stocked. As soon as you say for them shelf a stock, you're not gonna like that. With such woman is a total different thing. Such woman wants to see your stock, your shelf a stock also while fear on a stock. Because she believe in you can't stop fear bread and she can't stop your bread. Once you do what you're supposed to do and she do what she's supposed to do. As them say, the market is a big, wide market. And at the same time, me, the right here, so I sell suck or kisco. And a man, what they say, I sell it and it not benefit me. Me not choose another road or another place and go look some different customer. Why me I go sit down and fight with this person here? So when me don't see them at the edge already. And then no, it becomes physical, verbal, and all kind of call. You understand what I say to you? Me find somewhere else.
Because them people that will take your 3 points just like how them take Nyla 3 points.
You don't know whether I didn't take
Dangerous
Naya
people here.
3 points. You just
You
want
can't-
to shut off your dirty
violent with
mouth.
these people. They're violent.
Not even Naya family them no know.
And this is why
I'll be
I
a
don't let nobody
speculation,
know
so all
certain
you
things
know.
about me. No. Very violent.
There can be so many things.
And you notice this time I don't
And if
post
I'm
stuff. I'm baking. I'm
chatting,
baking, I'm shipping.
you have done
Nobody
so
really
much
know
chatting
nothing
out
to
here
see
and
about me.
people. And
Exactly.
you're on a gone yet.
I remember when I used to come out here and I used to show a lot of like last year, last Christmas or
What she
stuff.
did that show?
You know, I used
Empty
to
boxes
bake
pan
and
trolley? Empty
I
boxes
used
you
to
can collect from
screenshot my
FedEx?
my kitchen floor.
And we can't see when them
Don't
alone.
fingernail. No, I
We
have
can't
great
see when them
nails,
a ship.
don't get me wrong.
All know we don't see a pallet and go to
sometimes
China
I would
all
take
know.
oh, look at her nail. Nothing wrong with nail, you know? Absolutely nothing.
Come on. Tina, hold on.
But they
Tina say, them find all kind of things to say when them can't say she ugly and them can't say her product tastes bad. Them go out and them say her nail them this. Nothing wrong with me nail. Watch it now. She gonna say nothing wrong with her nail now. Sir, nothing wrong with me nail. Nothing wrong with me nail. The nail them out of the camera. She can't come so in the camera and show her nail. What you mean nothing wrong with your nail them? One, your nail them deform. Two, your nail them always have been dye. Like you live down a back to, or you live down a Riverton, or you live out a 2 mile. And right now them girls they kind of elevate, although you might still find few of them the house they out the way they use the red work and the dye, the liquid polish, and dye the floor. Because you are baking your fingernail them ever full of red dye. And then when you come out here come cuss people product about coloring. And when you use the most coloring using every bake product. It's just the amount where you're going to use. And you, when me see your fingernail, you come like, you run competition with the girl them out of 2 mile when them polish them floor. So now come out here, come talk about nothing wrong with the fingernail and hide them. Show the people them where you show them. See, there's nothing wrong with the fingernail them. Show the people them.
are finding everything. When
You
they
can't
say
show
you're
your
ugly,
fingernail, you hide
or
them, but
when
you
they
have
can't say
nothing
your
wrong with
product
them.
tastes bad, they find any way to discredit you and tear you down. So I just stopped doing all of that. You notice
And
I
you're a
don't
job
really
that
post
man.
nothing of me bake. Don't just get
We're
to
in
the
a
cake.
Jew
I want to get to
people.
the cake. Don't just know say it's show up in the
Back so I get black up.
Right?
Portmore side look alright.
Gonna see what I work, gonna see what I do. But I need for sure nothing more. If I feel like I want to come up with a new product and I want to take pictures of this new product and whatever, yeah, I show the picture. That's it. I'm gonna move on with my life. That's it. I don't need to come out here and
She's
show
saying this all
and
because
tell
the people must say they not say
all.
nothing at the award show.
Something
Fear, nothing at all. So she come out and say this.
because not
In
everybody
defense.
is happy with for you. Not everybody want to show certain. Not everybody want your reach. Nobody, you know, because they themselves they cannot get it. Them can't get it enough. So them know why you have it. That's the mentality, right? They don't apply themselves to say, okay, let me educate myself. Let me learn the process. No, they don't have it, so they don't want you to have it. That's their mentality. You think I don't see them? I see, I study, I see how they move. Yeah, I'm not stupid. I ain't stupid. No, I ain't stupid. They'd rather sit and copy your every move than go and learn it themselves. They'll sit and tear you down to try to put themselves on top instead of going to try to apply themselves and learn, put something in their brain. Oh no, they're not going to do that. They'd rather copy and copy nonsense. That's just how they are. So, honey, I don't help nobody on here who jumps in my inbox anymore and asks for help. It's just what it is. They make it bad for everybody else. You can't help everybody, right? You can't look at it and be like, oh, it's my black sister, my black brother. No, that's not the way the world is running right now, right? If you want a class, if anybody out there wants a class and they want to learn something, you got to pay. Stars. TeenageandCakes.com. Yes, big up for the damn self. Thanks to everybody who's supporting my business.
Hey, I love video, you know, people should start that video. Hey,
My rum cupcakes
hey,
special that is coming up.
Tina make everybody know her like how them hand back. Them know them hand back and know them hand miggle. She start that video so, what you call it? Well, we're, you know, trying to get a message across in promoting our business, talking about what happened last night and today pertaining to our business. And she just start, she coming like a truck. She coming like one of them trailers that we park overnight. And you know you have to switch on the trailer to build up air before it can move, else it will never move. So it have to build up air. As so Tina do on her platform. So she make herself so known to people that when she come out here and start her life, if I know something with chick her off, when she come out to just talk about, and here she start calm and smooth and nice, remember, prepare for down the video. Right up here so it gone. People business. Me say, you say this, that. You're too predictable, man.
Yes, buy one, get one free rum cupcakes. A long time, I don't sell cupcakes, you know.
Big
Long
festive
time, I don't do no special
season.
pan cupcakes. So
Buy
right
one,
on
get
Christmas
free.
Day,
Buy
while
dozen, get
you guys
dozen.
are opening up
Listen,
your
still
gifts and
in a
stuff,
big
then
Christmas.
buy
See
one
ya,
dozen,
listen.
get a dozen free. Cupcake special is gonna go live
Listen.
on my website.
Buy a dozen, get a dozen free. And you come out and talk about product expensive and all these things. So all product, material to make your product is expensive and you can't able to give it.
Cakes, damn good. My products taste damn good, gals.
People have sale off season.
And the rum cupcake sale is coming up. So look
When
out
it come
right
on to
at
these things, off season, not when the season is on. Off season. Oh, you have sale in the season. People have sale with clothes and shoes and things like that and furniture coming into the Christmas like November, October, November, because it is like clearance sale. Forget out these things to make way for the new things for this season. But where you concerned with baked product, which is festive season for cakes, how can you be doing sales at this time? If you sell a cake for $5, you're supposed to sell it for $6 now, because it must sell. Once you don't do too much on the price. But a sale you have, me can't see you thin on your product and sell and taste so good and all kind of compliment when you give your product and you have the most sale. Me can't see that. Me can't see that. Speak my mind, people who don't know what they do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up on the video, and please to watch it as continue to support the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. And remember to follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section. Please to give her a subscription. Help her to reach at 1,000. She need like 70 something more now. We not take on the time I do it, but we can do it a little faster because holy pound now over here. We're over here, we're not subscribed yet. You know? Give she the privilege to mess up herself. Don't make she say, boy, she come out and try and them come out and try because it's not one of them or two of them. And she couldn't get no subscription and she did a post, but you me a post and me not get no views and me not get no something just kind of no. Me believe in her. Give a man the chance to prove for himself. So by giving her the 1,000 subscription, she now have to give out content to gain the 4,000 watch hours. To make Uno can gravitate to the channel. Or other people can gravitate and subscribe also. Because it now gonna just stop at Uno. So me I beg Uno just help her reach 1,000 before the Christmas. We have up till New Year, so we have like just under 3 weeks. And it can happen in a 1 minute, 1 day. Uno just tell us, alright, we are running a marathon for her. Without me have to come on the platform. So me I run a marathon and I stay so I watch the subscription and go up. No. Just say alright. Everyone just thinking on the head say marathon. Alright, me not subscribe it. Boom, me I go subscribe. Me not subscribe it. Boom, me I go subscribe. Yeah, and just run it up. Alright, just get our subscription. Life with Gabby and Chevy in the comment section. Hit the blue writing and when the link come up, you just hit subscribe and hit the post notification bell. Make sure you're notified when a video is dropped. And remember now, Charms and Trends, $ Charms and Trends is in the comment section. When you give me, I use the gift to give back to the needy. And our project for the Christmas is to give away 10 to 12 food bags. Normally I give her a food bag to 10 to 13,000. You know, now I want to drop that, split that bag in two so I can afford to reach more people. Remember, I'm a small channel, I'm not rich, I'm not go blasey, like me have it, put me hat up here so I feel myself. No, because I don't like feeling, you know. And if you have to promise somebody something and can't reach out, you feel, I don't like feel. You understand? So basically, me cut one of those bags to two. So me used to, could I give 5? Me used to get a $13,000 bag to one somebody that can share for two somebody now. Because what we are trying to do is make sure them have even a holiday dinner. Might not rice and peas, chicken, turkey or ham, but at least if I have saltfish and butter bean, saltfish and baked bean, tin mackerel, sardine, whatsoever with the rice or flour, them have it, at least them have something to eat. If there is no good Samaritan, no family member who can reach out to them and give them a nice plate of rice and peas and even chicken, them have something they can eat. That's what we are all about here. You understand? As I said, we can't give them the chicken. Most of them not no light. Some of them not no fridge. So we can't give them meat. We have to give them non-perishable goods. Alright? So, you just do that when you give me. If you don't have a cash up or no Zelle, you can reach out to me at 876-221-9789. And the same for the t-shirts. If you see the t-shirt will be made by order. Me not make nothing put on. Me's an investor, me's not a business person. Me don't want you say me have t-shirt I sell and then not sell. Me don't want to do like Tina. So when you make the order, you contact me at the same number, 876-221-9789. If you see them and like them, you can request what kind of slang you want in a phone one, whether they do. So easy, one nation, up like age. You just choose the slang you want tonight. And I will put it in. So it just build to what you want, customize. Alright? But just know so the speak my mind I go there with the slang. If you don't want life is a mission, you get that also with the slang then. Alright? So the option is for you to choose. Alright? And these t-shirts are available as long as stock lasts. Good quality, stretch material. So if you wear extra large, if you wear large, probably you don't have to buy a large, you buy a small, a medium. Cause when you put it on, it will fit. And as I say, worse if you love close fit t-shirt, which I do love close fit t-shirt. T-shirt must not swing off of you like a frock. T-shirt will hug to your body, not tight. Hug to your body where you can stretch and you can, and you know, feel like it a tear or it a tight. And as I say, these material are stretch material. Cotton, I think it is what, 90% cotton and 10% polyester, 85% cotton, 15% polyester, something like so. So bless upon yourself and thanks for watching. Oh, remember, check out Charms and Trends on Instagram, as I say, Charms and Trends. That's charm underscore and underscore trends on Instagram. Go straight to the website, charmsandtrend.shop, or drop in the DM for further information. Anything you get it customized. Stop there for your gift, for your special loved one. Bless up. Happy Sunday. Tomorrow Monday, new week start. Remember, the nigga right is no Sunday, Monday to work. Remember the active time of the season where you're busy. So you want to make sure your eye open on the people them job. Don't eat no Sunday, Monday for your lunch. Wait till when you come home, you eat that. Bless up. I'm out.